Hey, check out the beginning of this melody, and as you do, listen for how you might end it. Where is it? What's gonna happen? I don't know. Hey, what's up? I'm Avi. Welcome to May Melody Madness, where I'm celebrating the release of my course, the Melody Mastery Mini Course. More on that at the end of the video. So what did you think? Was your ear showing you anything, showing you the way into how to end this melody? Well, if not, that's totally okay. I'm gonna show you a couple tools that you can pull out when you need to end a melody, just like I need to right now. The first thing I want to share with you is called fragmentation. All we have to do is take a slice of what we were already doing. I'm gonna take this bit right here, like that. And let's just put that right there on this first beat. And let's add one more, just we're on 6/8. So let's keep the 3 groupings, and let's just add another beat right up there, just like that. Ba-da-da. And then let's take this, maybe bring it down the octave, sequence it up, and then let's just end on D. All right, not too bad. Fragmentation helped us end that melody. Another thing that we can do is something called liquidation, kind of the exact opposite of fragmentation in the way we're going to use it. Basically, just get to this D in some way, or maybe an A, or whatever structural moment, whatever note you're trying to get to, just get to that note in any way, shape, or form that you can. This can be just a straight scale, linear, descending scale pattern, something like that, anything. So we're just gonna make all of these dotted quarter notes and build our way up to that D. Let's make this C sharp, add some harmonic minor, done. Now finally what we can do is combine both of those together. We can fragment and then liquidate. Let's do this a little bit differently this time. Now let's take this part and maybe kind of invert it a little bit. Something like that. And then let's just throw some 16th notes up in there. Give these some slurs. You a slur. Awesome, there it is. So there you go, that is how to end a melody. You can use fragmentation, you can use liquidation, and you can use fragmentation and liquidation in combination. If you want more melodic tools, you should check out my free video training, 7 Ways to Write a More Effective Melody, where I give you those 7 tools that's in the title, titular, eponymous, in less than 40 minutes. However, if you want to go even further, you want to learn how I did what I did here, like exactly, you should check out my course, the Melody Mastery Mini Course, where I share with you all the melodic tools that I learned in music school, nice and neatly packaged into a mini course where you don't have to go through formal training, you don't need to pay a bunch of tuition. I strip away all the nonsense you don't need to know. Check out the free training as well as the Melody Mastery Mini Course at justwritemusic.com. Now, something that was going through my mind when I was listening to this just now was just how easy it's going to be to make a beautiful counter melody with this, especially with just dotted quarter notes in the background, creating some type of overarching theme. It's going to be so beautiful. If you want to know how to create a counter melody, you should check out the video that's popping up on your screen. I'll see you there. Thanks so much for watching and for hanging out with me today. I'm Avi. Don't forget to be awesome.